This crispy pakoda is not traditional onion pakoda, it is made with cabbage. Fresh cabbage sliced thin like noodles, coated with a special secret pakoda ingredients, deep fried to golden perfection, crispy, crunchy, absolutely irresistible. Make sure you save some for yourself before everything gets grabbed within a minute. Hello everyone, welcome to HomePlateDelights. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. Here in this bowl I have cabbage ready, cut into thin slices. You can see the thickness of cabbage strips. They are sliced thin and lengthwise, almost like noodles. To this I am adding pakoda ingredients: 2 tablespoons of besan, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, not corn flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste, pinch of baking soda. Let's start mixing this. Add water little by little. I am using slightly warm water. This helps to wake up the baking soda. Follow all the ingredients and proportions exactly as mentioned. This is the key to get perfect crispy pakoda. Now the pakoda mixture is ready. Look at the consistency. It is not too thin, but still it is slightly moist. This is what we needed. One last important thing to add: hot oil. This adds so much crispiness to the pakoda. Please don't miss this. It already started to add so much shining to the basin. This is what gives us a perfect golden color when we fry this. Take a small handful of cabbage mixture and gently twist it together. Then drop it in the hot oil. Try to keep it lengthwise. Don't worry or think that cabbage will get separated while frying. That is not going to happen because we have added cornstarch here. Everything will stay combined, nicely binded together. Also notice here the cabbage is not tightly packed. There are plenty of room between cabbage strips, which allows hot oil to reach each cabbage strips and makes the cooking faster and adds so much crunchiness to every single bite. And here you go, the crispy crunchy pakodas are ready. Just sprinkle some coriander leaves and some chaat masala. There you go. There is also onion pakoda recipe on my channel. Please do check that out. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.